Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from UleFone Armor 70 Pro to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both. Now get this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Following that, select exactly the same options on both smartphones. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of UleFone and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to 70 Pro. You need to tap on all of those categories at the top, and in them tap on those type of dots to select all files from this category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up by choosing while using the app or only this time. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. If you wish to input this key, tap on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. As you can see after that, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!